You're moving 2,000 miles and they won't give you a date? Before you panic, there's a reason pros use a 14-day delivery window. Drop a like if you're moving soon, and subscribe for more insider knowledge about moving cross-country. Here's the reality. Moving cross-country isn't a straight shot. Drivers navigate city traffic, road construction, and federal safety regulations limit how many hours they can legally drive. Your items are often part of a shared truck. To keep your costs down, trucks pick up multiple shipments. One delay at an earlier stop, like a broken elevator, ripples through the entire schedule. Then there's the unpredictable, a January blizzard in Chicago, or a summer heat wave in Vegas. That 14-day window isn't a lack of planning, it's a buffer for reliability. Here's how to prepare for that 2-week delivery window. The Essentials Box. It allows you to pack an essentials kit and plan realistically instead of being left in the dark. We recommend packing medicine, chargers, laptop, clothes, and any other essential items to get you through any days of unforeseen delay. This box will travel with you and not on the truck. Move with confidence. Get your free transparent quote from National Van Lines today. And if you'd like to learn more about packing the essentials, check out our video on what to pack first for a long-distance move.